Hello Numberblock fans! Today we're going to explore the prime numbers from 2 to 29. So prime numbers are the numbers which couldn't divide any numbers, just divided only by itself and the ones. Or we can make just only two rectangles, one laying wide and one standing tall. So first character that we're going to build is our number block 2. 2 is the first character of the prime club. That's because he can split into 1 2s and 2 1s, and which means he can divide it only himself and the ones, and he cannot make any rectangles. He just made only 2 rectangles, 1 by 2 and 2 by 1. One standing wide and one laying wide and one standing tall. And 2 is the prime even number, first prime even number. So here's our number block 2. So the next character that we're going to build is our number block 3. So 3 has 3 yellow blocks. So we build 3 into 3 1 by 3 yellow blocks rectangle formation. This is her popular shape. 3 cannot make any rectangles, just makes only standing tall and laying wide. And then 3 can divide it only by herself and the number ones. So here's our number block 3, which is the second member of the prime club. Well, the numbers which are prime are usually odds, except from the number block 2, which is an even. Almost always. Anyways, for the third character of the prime club is our 5. 5 has 5 blue blocks. So we build 5 into 1 by 5 rectangle formation. So we build 5 like this. She couldn't make any rectangles, so she can make only 1 by 5 and 5 by 1. And she can divide only herself and ones. Alright, so the next character that we're going to build is 7. 7 has 7 rainbow blocks. So we build 7 into 1 by 7 rectangle formation. So we build 1 by 7. He couldn't make any rectangles, which means he's a prime number. He can make only standing tall and laying wide. And also 7 couldn't divide into any numbers, which can divide only himself and the ones. So here's our number block 7, which is the lucky number, but it looks so wiggly. Anyways, for another character that we're going to build is 11. So 11 I built into 2 blocks wide, 5 blocks tall, and then 1 block at the top. That's because 11 is made out of 10 and 1s. So 10 can make 2 by 5 rectangle formation, and then we put 1 red block at the top. So we got 11. 11 couldn't make any rectangles because she can make only 2 rectangles, 1 standing tall and 1 laying wide. And also 11 could divide by only herself and the ones. So we need 2 faceplates. She has the eyes bigger than each other. That's because 11 is a football player. And there's our number block 11 and her accessory, football. So we got first 5 characters. 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. Alright, let's move into the 5 last character that I'm going to build. Right, now we're going to go to build the number block 13. So 13 has 10 white blocks and 3 yellow blocks. 13 is the 6th member of the prime club. That's because 13 couldn't divide into any numbers, just only himself and the ones. Also, he couldn't make any rectangles, just only standing tall and laying wide. So 13 I built like this. Well, I build him into this. I think I should use this. And then that. We got 10 blocks wide. 10 white blocks. Sorry. And then we need 3 yellow blocks more to make 13. So I build 13 to like this. Ta-da! Number block 13 is finished. So we need 4 faceplates. He's very unlucky in the Numberland because 13 represents the unlucky numbers. So don't forget the numbering for number block 13. For the next character that we're going to build is our number block 17. So 17 has 10 white blocks and 7 rainbow blocks. So we build 17 like his normal shape, which is 2 blocks wide, and the 7 rainbow blocks wrapping around him. We build 17. We build first 10 white blocks into 2 blocks wide. Then we wrap 7 rainbow blocks around him. And he loves to paint. And 17 is the prime number. That's because 17 has just only divided by himself and the ones. He couldn't divide into any numbers, so that's why he's a prime number. Also, he couldn't make rectangles. He can make just only 2 rectangles only. So I built 17 like this. There, here's our 17. Then we need 10 white faceplates. Well, that's because he has so many splats. Because he's sometimes messy of painting. That's why he has splats. So how do I put there? And then oh, it broke too much. Well, 17 I put like this. Oh, I put it wrong. I put the faceplates wrong. So like this. Then we need 1 number link. So here's our number block 17. Alright. For the next character that we're going to build is our number 19. So 19 has 10 white blocks and 9 3 tiles of gray blocks. So we build 19 like this. I built 6 blocks wide, just like the instruction guide tell. So I built like this. No. Well, 19, I forgot to tell you, 19 has 10 white blocks and 9 3 tiles of gray blocks. She couldn't make any rectangles because she can make only laying wide and standing tall. So we build 19 like this. And also 19 couldn't divide any numbers. That's because she can divide it only into herself and the ones. Like this. There. And then we need 4 faceplates. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we got our number block 19. And there's our numbering 19. So 19 is the 8th member of the Prime Club. Alright, so the next character that we're going to make today is our 23. So 23 is the 9th member of the Prime Club. You see the episode of the number block 23, you'll see 23 couldn't make any rectangles. That's because he's a prime number. Well, also 23 couldn't divide into any numbers. That's because he can divide it by himself and the ones. So I build him like this. Well, the 23 shape formation is 20 peach blocks making 10 blocks wide, 2 blocks wide, and 10 blocks tall, and the 3 yellow blocks put at his side. This is his popular shape. So here's our 20, 21, 22, 23. I waited about a year and a half to see the 23 figure out. Oh my gosh, that's so long. Here's our number block 23. I am 23, happy being me. But if I make my own handmade, I made 23 has a chromosome sign and loves to play basketball, just like 46, 69 with my own fan-made number blocks. So anyways, for the last character that we're going to build today is 29. 29 has 20 peach blocks and 9 3 types of gray blocks. First three gray blocks are light gray, 3 medium gray, and 3 dark gray. So I built 29 just like 23, but 29 has 6 more blocks than 23. So I built 29 like this. Well, 29 cannot make any rectangles because he can make just only standing tall and laying wide. And also, 29 couldn't divide it into any numbers. That's because 29 can divide only himself and the ones. Well, the 29, if 29 isn't figured out, I still make the number block 29 into bunnies. I make 29 is a female, just normal female, because I like the numbers which can divide by 29 is female. I also made the clubs just like the others. Well, the 29 figure out, so I just make just like the official number blocks. But also the numbers which can divide it by 29, like 58, 87, and so on. These numbers, I make female. I change from bunny to female by loving club and being female, and she loves to dance. That's because 29 we got first. They wear shoes to represent our number block 20. That's because to represent 20, we got 20 peach blocks in the whole 29. So that's why I make her as a female wearing shoes. Now I found the made out of one club now. It's in the box. There's a Numberblocks 29. So that's all of the characters that we built today. Alright, it's time to review. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and including the football, 13, 17, 19, and I also including her marker. That's because she loves to draw everything on the art, just like 17 and 23 and 29. Oh my gosh, so many. All number blocks which are prime club all has circular eyes, but I don't know why 7 has rectangle eyes. But anyways, that's all of the characters that we built from 2 to 29, which are the prime numbers. Which character do you like most? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, or 29? Please in the comments. So thank you everyone for watching. If you like my video, you can click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more notifications from my new videos. So see you again next time everyone. Bye.